We all know that feeling of staring at a blank canvas in a 3D software, unsure where to begin. But fear not, by following these key steps, you'll be modeling, sculpting, retopologizing, and rendering like a pro in no time. Build a strong foundation. Master the basics before diving into complex models. Get comfortable with the core functionality of your chosen software. Learn about shapes, modifiers, retopology, and UV unwrapping. Simple is key. Start by modeling simple objects like cubes, spheres, and cylinders. This will help you grasp fundamental techniques before moving on to more intricate designs. Practice and experiment. Follow tutorials. There's a wealth of free and paid tutorials available online that cover various modeling techniques and software-specific workflows. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Set aside dedicated time to practice, even if it's just for short bursts each day. Don't fear mistakes, embrace them as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong and try to improve on your next project. Expand your knowledge. Learn from the real world. Study real-world objects, especially those you want to model. Pay attention to details like proportions, shapes, and textures. Explore different types of modeling. Try your hand at different areas like character modeling, hard surface modeling, or environment design. This will broaden your skill set. Learn from others. Watch other 3D artists work. Analyze their techniques. And join online communities to connect and share experiences. Research. This is the most important part of 3D modeling. This part of the process can be underrated by beginners, but research can save you a lot of time and confusion on how to go about modeling your object. Before you start your next project, research the topic of your model. For instance, if it is a futuristic gun, search for futuristic gun. Take inspiration from the model shown. Save about 10 images. See which ones fit your idea more. Save the closest ones, and remove the rest. Take inspiration from the design to structure and build your own model. Alright everyone, that's all the time we have for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more 3D modeling tips and tricks. In the comments below, let me know what kind of 3D models you're working on, and if there are any specific areas you'd like to see covered in future videos.